All right, so today we're going to have to find the height of a cone that has a diameter of 20 inches and a total volume of 1,256 cubic inches. So the first thing you should do is sketch a quick picture of a cone so we can get an idea of what we're looking for. So we know the diameter all the way across the base of the circle through the center is 20 inches, and we're looking for the height of the cone measured perpendicularly from the center of the base. So this is what we don't know. Got to find h. So we already know that the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi r squared h, where h is the height of the cone and r is the radius of the base. So now we can just start to plug in everything that we know. So luckily, we know what the total volume is, so this will be v, and the diameter is 20, but we need to find the radius from the diameter. So we know that the radius should be half the diameter. So if the diameter is 20 inches, the radius equals 10 inches. That would be half the distance. That would be from the center to the outside of the circle, would be 10 inches. So let's plug all this information in. So we have a volume, so 1,256 is equal to 1/3 times a rough number for pi, 3.14. The radius, which we just found, which was half of 20, so it's 10. So 10 squared times h, we do not know. So now we need to start solving for h by multiplying the 1/3 times 3.14 times 10 together. And so we know that, by 10 squared together. So we know that 10 squared is 100. So 3.14 times 100 times 1/3, because exponents come before multiplication. And then 3.14 times 100 is 314 times 1/3 times h. Okay, and now we take 1/3 of 314 and we get about 104.67 times h is still equal to our volume of 1,256. So again, we just multiplied all of these together after we found the exponent, 10 squared, and got 100 here. Multiplied 1/3 times 3.14 times 100, and that gets us all the way down to 104.67 times h. So now we need to isolate h, and we need to notice what's happening to h is being multiplied. So to get rid of multiplication, we use division. So we divide both sides by 104.67 to keep the equation balanced, which means these cancel. So h is going to be equal to about 11.999, which we can just assume would be 12 inches tall. And you are done.